this is Roy. Welcome to my channel NEEL'S Biology. Today I am here to show how to extract DNA from papaya. To perform this experiment, we need some materials, and these are chopped papaya, salt, sodium chloride, dishwashing liquid, water and ethanol. Apart from this, we need one petri dish, strainers, filter paper, one zipper, stab, funnel and beaker. First of all, I will take chopped papayas, prepare one solution with dishwashing liquid and salt. I need to mix salt and dishwashing liquid properly, and afterwards I will keep this chopped papayas within this chipper. The next step of this experiment I need to pour this solution of dishwashing liquid and salt within this zipper, and after addition of this solution I will close the mouth of that zipper and I will start crushing it. After the chopping and crushing of this papaya, it has to be filtered to avoid any bulky and pulpy mass. After filtration, I will also filter this solution by the using of a filter paper. Here you can see, after using the filter paper, the color of these two solutions is quite different. Here, the filtered color is almost transparent, or it's lightly yellowish in color as of the color of papaya. The collection of filtrate, I will pour that filtrate on this petri dish. And after that, I will use ethanol. Chilled ethanol. Here are the DNAs that are accumulated after pouring ethanol. So this is all about the process by which you can easily extract DNAs from papaya. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel NEEL'S Biology, where biology is everything.